Now watch this video. The factors affecting friction already we have done in the previous class. Just watch this video. The frictional force is acting on an object kept on the table. So all of you know that force of friction opposes the applied force. So what are the factors affecting friction? Now this we have read that on a smooth object or smooth surface, it's difficult. In rough object or rough surface, friction is easy. So highest friction will be, the more the object will be rough, surface will be rough, the more will be the friction. So friction depends upon the roughness of the surface. And lowest friction will be on the smoother surface. The less smooth, more friction. More smooth, less friction. So read the points which are given here. Already I have explained the topic, but still this is a related video. I liked it and I thought to share with you because it's easier to understand the topic. Now you can take 3 books and keep a scale inclined like this. And if you roll something, you will see it will roll easily. This activity you can try at your houses. And if you keep a sandpaper, all of you know there are markings on the sandpaper, and then you roll, speed will become less. If you do not have sandpaper, you can take any cotton cloth, and if you roll, you can imagine the speed. If you do these type of small activities, it's easier to understand. So rough surface, friction will be more. Now why friction is caused? Due to irregularities in the surfaces, friction is caused. Now if you feel the texture of different clothes or different paper, you can feel it. You cannot observe it clearly, you can feel it. So the surface is more irregular, friction will be more. And if the surface is polished or smooth, friction will be less. I have explained all these. Some are not in your book also, but by watching these examples you can easily understand. So lighter brick will obviously go the furthest distance. This we had read the example now, that if you have to push any heavy object, it's difficult to push, but if you involve 3-4 persons, then you will easily push the almirah or the heavy object. So related example is this only, 2 kg and 5 kg. So obviously it's easier to push a 2 kg object in comparison to 5 kg weight object. So friction depends on nature of surfaces.